Hi everyone, welcome back to the Food for Thought Sustainability Certificate. Once again, my name is Grant. I'm from the Food for Thought team. As you can see, I'm stood in the same place, but a few days later, and it's a lot colder in Nottingham, so I'm wearing a few more layers. I hope you had a good week, and you're looking forward to the weekend, and we can hopefully pass on this Friday afternoon vibe to you. We've really enjoyed looking at the videos that you posted. I think the sort of variety that we received, and in particular the comments that you added to those videos just showed that you really understood what we were hoping that you'd be able to explore. So that was fantastic. I'm going to pick out a few that the team really liked. First of all, there was a video that was posted by a student. It was from a company called Pouchlink, and they're basically advertising a new vending machine. This vending machine, instead of giving out bottles of drink, actually gave out it stored pouches, fully recyclable pouches with sort of concentrate in. And when somebody bought whatever flavour pouch they wanted, it just added water to the mix and then issued the drink. And as a student pointed out, it saved energy through refrigeration costs, and I guess saved packaging and transport costs as well. So that was interesting and ticked all the boxes for us. Another video which I've really enjoyed because of the way it was shot. It was basically a hand scribbling on a whiteboard, doing diagrams and keywords, and it was sort of all this scribbling was done whilst a narrator explained how we're going to basically feed 9 billion people in the world in the future. And it was come from a piece of work from an academic scholar, a doctor in Canada, and they basically said there's 4 solutions to feeding 9 billion people. Contrary to what you'd probably hear, they argued that it is possible, although there's challenges for each one of those different 4 solutions. It was really, really good video to watch. A little bit long, it was over 10 minutes long, but just watch it for a couple of minutes. I think you'll find it interesting. Another one that was a little bit out of my sort of area of expertise was called the Lexicon of Sustainability, and that was all about I guess it's about the words and the linguistics that can be used to describe sustainability in food. So this student that posted that video commented on that precise point, and asked a rhetorical question. What sort of words spring to your mind when you think of sustainability? And this sort of short video showed that it was things like food, farming, permaculture, a whole variety of different words that were applicable, and it just showed how rich sustainability a topic actually is. So that was a good video. Out of all of them, I probably enjoyed the next one that I'm going to talk about the most, because it really made me envious. I really wanted one of these products, and it was called the Aquilibrium, and the Aquilibrium is basically a product whereby it uses aquaponics, and apparently aquaponics is where sort of fish and an aquatic environment lives in harmony in a sort of symbiotic system with growing of plants, and plants that we can eat, like vegetables and fruit. So this company have designed this thing called the Aquilibrium, which is just a small little unit with a little fish tank at the bottom and a few sort of plants at the top, like pepper plants or lettuces, and you can literally have it in your front room, and the sort of nitrates recycle and they sort of live together in equilibrium, these 2 different mini little ecosystems. And well, I would absolutely love one in my front room to get that fresh organic produce, but it really showed sustainability in its broadest sense. It was local food, there was sort of science behind it, and it was, I guess, a big social project as well. They want to roll this out across the world and make it available to everybody. So that was a cracking video. I hope you took time to have a browse over other videos that students have posted. If you didn't, then please do have a look back, particularly on the ones that I've just pointed you towards. From the statistics, we did see that some of you have already done this, so thank you very much for doing that. In the next week's session, we'll actually look at how other disciplines are linked to your own. So that sort of cross linkages is going to be key going forward. And there was actually 2 students that posted the same video this week from different disciplines, so it shows that that's already happening you know, already. So yeah, one last thing before I sign off for week 2 in a very cold and windy Nottingham, is that if you're thinking about your final sort of assessment video that you're going to produce yourself, hopefully looking at other people's videos, you might realise that you know, you can do it in partnership with another student who's also doing a certificate, and it would be really strong submission if you could do it with a student from another discipline. So have a think about that. You don't have to, you could just do it on your own, but if you could do that, that'd be great. Have a great weekend, and there'll be another video to kick off week 3 of the certificate coming up next Monday. So thank you very much.